In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private, protecting the privacy of your work and keeping sensitive information secure within your Asana projects is essential, especially when you're collaborating with multiple teams or working on confidential tasks. Making a project private ensures that only selected members have access, giving you full control over who can view or edit the project details. In this guide, I'll walk you through each step to help you confidently manage your project's privacy settings in Asana. To start, go ahead and open your browser and log in to your Asana account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project that you want to make private. If you're not sure where to find your projects, you can use the sidebar on the left side of the Asana dashboard. Browse through your teams and click on the relevant project to open it. With your project open, look toward the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a button that indicates your current project membership and privacy setting. It might say something like Public to Team or Private to Your Name. Click on this button to open the project settings menu. After clicking the button, a drop-down menu will appear showing the current privacy settings for your project, as well as the list of members who have access. To make your project private, select the option that says Make Private to Project Members. This will change the status of your project, ensuring that only people you specifically add to this project can see or interact with its contents. It's important to note that once a project is private, others within your Asana team will no longer see this project unless you invite them. If you need to add or remove people, you can do so from the same project settings menu. To add someone, just click on the Invite or Share button, often represented by a person with a plus sign, enter their email address, and select their permission level, such as member or guest. If you want to remove someone, find their name in the project member list, click the three dots or more options next to their name, and choose the option to remove them from the project. After making your project private, double-check the access list to ensure only the right people are included. This extra step will help maintain the confidentiality of your work. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can make any Asana project private in just a couple of minutes, keeping your sensitive information secure and your workflow organized. If you ever need to make the project public again, you can repeat these steps and select the option to change its visibility. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Asana projects with confidence and clarity.